Hi my friends, praise Jesus and welcome to my channel. So today I'm showing you how I make my rice water treatment for my hair. So if you are new to my channel, you are very welcome. My name is Monica and you can support my channel by subscribing, liking and also watching my video to the end. If you are one of my subscribers, thank you so much for coming back. I really appreciate for your support. And if you are interested in knowing the whole process, then watch this video to the end. So here we are, and for this process I do not have a specific measure. What you can do, you can just measure your rice according to your liking. Just make sure that you do not waste your rice. And we are going to wash the rice just to make sure that the rice is very clean, just to wash away the products and the impurities. And some of the benefits of using rice water treatment to my hair is that rice water has helped me to just control hair breakage, and also it has made my hair to be very thick and my hair just looks very shiny and very healthy and very strong. And also rice water promotes hair growth. I have experienced some growth on my hair since I started using it. So those are some of just the benefits that I have experienced when I started using rice water to my hair. I don't know about the others, but I'm just telling you what I have experienced with my hair since I started using rice water. Though, as you know guys, everything has demerits and merits. So one of the demerits of rice water is that if you're going to use it too much, it can weigh your hair down because it has protein in them. So if you use a lot of it, it can give you protein overload to your hair. So when you are using it, you need to be very careful because it can also make your hair unmanageable. So just use it when it is necessary, but it is a good treatment. So I'm adding in the orange peel because after the 3 days that I am going to leave my rice water, the water will be smelling terrible. So the orange peel is going to help me just to eliminate that smell. So that is the second day, and this is the third day, and my rice water is ready. So I'm just going to transfer my rice water to a spray bottle, then I will spray to my hair. So when you spray to your hair, make sure you have cleaned your hair with your favorite shampoo and then you spray it. So here we are, my hair is clean. I have shampooed my hair and now I am spraying my hair, and I'm going to leave it to my hair for about 10 minutes, then I will rinse it off. So I have rinsed the rice water off, and now it is the time to condition my hair. So make sure after you have rinsed it off, you condition your hair. I know some people would say, oh, they just leave it in, but for me, I don't. So I have to just condition my hair, and I'm using Tresemme conditioner. So this is the first time I am using this conditioner, so I don't have a lot to say about it because I'm just trying it for the first time. So this is the last stage of conditioning your hair after the whole process, and I hope guys that this video was helpful. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, comment in the comment section below if you have ever used rice water. If you are maybe you're going to try it out, let me know what you think about this video, and also share. And thank you so much for your support, for just watching my video to this far. I really appreciate. So see you in my next video.